Hello everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. I'm sharing Happy Mail I received from Rosa with Sun and Moon Arts. She does a lot of crafting and art. She's an excellent crafter, and I will definitely put her information in my description box below, so please go see Rosa from Sun and Moon Arts. She sent me this beautiful Christmas card. Let me show it to you. There. And Jingle All the Way. Look at the little puppies and kitty cats in the sleigh. Aw, so precious. With the Christmas tree. And it's a congrats card. And joy to you at Christmas time. May the season bring love, joy, and much peace. Love, Rosa. I had won, I had entered her journaling card contest, a giveaway, and I did win. So she sent me these beautiful journaling cards, postcards. They are gorgeous. She has done a lot of beautiful work on these. She stitched these little tabs on them all. These are like little, I think they're robins, but look at the paper. And you can see she distressed it. And I think they're robins. It could be some other type, but they're beautiful. These look like robin eggs. And look at how beautiful that paper is. It says Paris, 1878. Here's the back and the front, but you can tell that she distressed them. I love them. I definitely want to get into the journaling part of crafting soon. Look at this one with the bouquet of flowers in the shape of the heart. Again, with the background, looks like newspaper print and handwritten letters. Definitely she distressed it. That's something else I haven't started with. Look at the beautiful little tab she sewed into that journaling card. And here's another one. That's beautiful. This one's got music notes on the front and the back, and she distressed it. And it's also looks like a Eiffel Tower. It almost looks like a stamp piece, or a postcard with handwriting on it. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, so beautiful. I love them all, but I think I love these. Well, I love them all. What am I saying? But I really love this one. I'm not sure why. I've never been to Paris. When I was in England, back when I was 18, I was my husband was stationed over there at Lakenheath Air Force Base, and we had these trips scheduled to go to Paris. And I came down, and you had to pay for it in advance through on base. So it wasn't even that far. However, I got so deathly sick. I had a fever of like 104, and can you believe it or not, I didn't go because I was that sick. And I have regretted it my whole life, because now I'm coming up on 59, so you're talking 40 years later, and I could have went to Paris. I didn't go because I was so sick. That's how sick I was. So anyway, that's probably why this means so much to me. But these are beautiful work she did, so I wanted to show them so I can put up close pictures if I can. Here's the other one, the bouquet with the heart, and then the robins with their pretty blue eggs. These are gorgeous too. I love birds. Also says Paris. So pretty. Rosa, they're gorgeous. I absolutely adore them all. Very beautiful. And thank you so much, sweetheart, for the Christmas card. God bless you, honey. It's beautiful as well. Thank you. And please, everyone, please don't forget to check out Rosa with Sun and Moon Arts. And like I said, I will put the description below. Everyone, have a great afternoon. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye.